Welcome to Smart Safety, the community-based safety app for OSU students by OSU students.
A problem we noticed was that even though crime rates off campus have increased within recent years, student awareness of these crimes in real time hasn't changed. For example, take the stabbing of Emily Foster in Iuka Park a month ago. Even though this crime occurred near off campus housing, students were not informed of this crime in real time, due to Buckeye Alerts requiring certain conditions to be met before sending them out. We felt that this should not be a limitation from students being informed about crimes happening near them and taking the proper actions to ensure their safety.
We wanted to address this problem by building an OSU-specific mobile safety application. The app has three main features. 1. Understand crime patterns from the past to predict personal safety risks. 2. Be able to create and share real-time crime alerts between students. And 3. Use both the past and the present to plan for safer navigation off campus. We're going to show the demo now, starting from the initial sign-up page throughout the rest of the flow.
So this is the landing page for the app. To maintain the integrity of the data, we need a valid OSU email to get in, and we use Google's Firebase API to provide this secure authentication.
One of the key features we wanted to provide is the ability for students to predict how at risk they are on and off campus. Using the crime data provided by OSU, we built a custom kernel density machine learning model to predict your risk level given a location and time of day.
So as you can see here, we're at 18th Avenue Library around the afternoon, and it's considered low risk because there's a lot of students around, and it's during a well-lit time during the day.
We integrated this prediction model into our application through a custom backend web API. As you can see, when we input different latitudes, longitudes, and hour of the day, we can get different risk levels, either high, medium, or low.
Another key feature we wanted to implement is the ability for students to create and share crime alerts. Using Firebase's real-time database, students can inform each other about crime instantaneously. This is how the feature works. A student can differentiate and create different types of alerts by clicking the new alert button. Students can then enter a short description, and once the alert is confirmed, it'll show up in real time on the other student's map.
A problem we found with the Google and Apple Maps APIs is that though it does provide the optimal route for navigation, it's not necessarily the safest. We wanted to provide a way for students to get safe directions to their destination. So using the real-time crime alerts and crime zones we defined earlier, our last feature was to create a modified Google Maps routing algorithm that puts an emphasis on avoiding unsafe markers and providing the safest route. For example, let's say we're currently at 18th Avenue and we wanted to go to the Fireproof restaurant in Shore North. As you can see, Google initially provides the most optimal route. However, if there is a real-time crime marker on that route, our algorithm redefines the route to avoid these crime markers and provide a safer alternative.
In conclusion, we feel like this application allows students to be safer on campus by using data from the past and present to plan for the future.